On July 25, 1976, NASA Viking 1 orbiter sent back a photograph that would haunt planetary science for decades, a mile-wide face staring up from the Martian surface. The image arrived at mission control in grainy black and white, a humanoid face complete with eye sockets, a nose ridge, and what looked unmistakably like a mouth. Scientists stared at the printout in silence. The press exploded. Within hours, headlines screamed about alien monuments. But here's what actually happened. Our brains, finely tuned by millions of years of evolution to spot faces in crowds and shadows, found exactly what they were hunting for. This phenomenon has a name, pareidolia. It's not a glitch in human perception, it's a feature. Your brain processes faces faster than any other visual pattern. A mother recognizes her infant in milliseconds. A soldier spots a sniper in tall grass. That survival advantage kept our ancestors alive. But it also means we're wired to see faces everywhere, in clouds, in burnt toast, in the cratered landscape of another world. So why does this matter for space exploration? Because pareidolia doesn't just mislead us, it shapes the questions we ask about the universe. For nearly 2 decades after Viking 1, the face on Mars consumed scientific resources and public imagination. People demanded answers. Was it artificial? Who built it? Why? The real answer didn't come until 2001. NASA Mars Global Surveyor captured high-resolution images of the same location. The face dissolved. What remained was a mesa, a natural geological formation, unremarkable once you saw it in detail. The eye sockets were impact craters. The nose was an eroded ridge. There was no mystery, no monument, just rock. But the face on Mars wasn't an outlier. It was the beginning of a pattern we're still watching. In 2008, Curiosity rover images sparked debates about a humanoid figure on Mars. In 2020, people claim to see a crab in asteroid imagery. Each time the explanation is the same, pareidolia meeting low resolution, shadow, and human hope. The deeper question is, what does this tell us about how we search for life beyond Earth? We're looking for patterns we recognize, faces, structures, intelligence. But life on another world might not wear a face. It might not think in ways our brains can easily parse. We could be searching for the wrong thing entirely. Scientists now understand pareidolia so well that it informs mission design. When engineers send rovers to Mars, they account for it. Images are deliberately processed to minimize misleading shadows. Multiple angles confirm anomalies before they reach headlines. It's a learned humility, a recognition that our eyes and brains, for all their sophistication, need protection from themselves. The face on Mars also taught us something about public engagement with science. The phenomenon didn't fade because NASA issued a press release. It faded because better data made the explanation obvious. In an age of misinformation, that lesson matters. Truth isn't about authority, it's about resolution. But pareidolia persists even when we know better. Neuroscientists have shown that knowing something is an optical illusion doesn't stop you from seeing it. Show someone the face on Mars, tell them it's just a mesa, and they'll still see the face. Your visual cortex operates faster than your rational mind. Evolution beats education. This has implications beyond Mars. Jupiter's great red spot doesn't actually have a face, but we call it an eye. Saturn's moon Enceladus has what people describe as a tiger stripe pattern. We're constantly anthropomorphizing the cosmos, reading intention and design into random processes. It's how we make sense of the incomprehensibly vast and alien. The real power of pareidolia, though, isn't that it fools us. It's that it reveals what we're searching for. The face on Mars tells us we want to find intelligence out there. We want to know we're not alone. That desire is beautiful, and it's worth being honest about, because honesty is what keeps us looking honestly. So when you see the next anomaly on Mars or Europa or some distant exoplanet, ask yourself, am I seeing what's there or what I hope is there? That question, the one the face on Mars taught us to ask, might be the most important tool in the search for life beyond Earth. Subscribe. Each week we uncover the stories NASA almost didn't tell, the moments when seeing changes everything.